Hi, I'm Steve, one of the local techs at Antietam Cable, where we make technology easy. That's why I answered some simple questions in a series of videos called Tech Talk. Today we're going to be setting up our email using Outlook Express. Now there's other softwares that you can use to view your email, but for this example we're going to use Outlook Express. First of all, we're going to launch Outlook Express. We're going to go up here to Tools, click on Accounts, and then we're going to use the Mail account. Now, for this example, we made up a fictitious email account to show you how easy it is to actually set up the email. So once you're under the Mail tab here, you're going to come over to Add, and then we're going to add a new email account. The first thing it's asking you is, when you send an email or something like that, do you want your name to appear? And we're going to type in our name because we want our name to appear on our emails. Now I'm going to be doing some typing here, so if you just follow along. Once you type in your name, we're going to press Next. Now it's going to ask you for your actual email address. And when you first get asked for email address from Antietam, we give you a default email name and also a default password. And you can go in and change that password at any time. But we're just going to use the default for this example. So our address is going to be jdoe@myactv.net. Now we're going to click Next to that. And now we're going to put in some server information. And basically the server information is just going to be, for the incoming mail server, it's just going to be mail.myactv.net. Then you can tab down. And then for the outgoing mail server, it's the same thing, mail.myactv.net. Once you've got that typed in, you can press Next. Now the next tab is going to be Email Logon. We already have the account name in here for you, and we just need to add our password. Now let me tell you a little bit about passwords. You can use all lowercase, or you can use all uppercase, or you can do a combination. But just remember, once you use lower and uppercase combined, you have to continue to use it that way because it is case sensitive, meaning that there is a difference between upper and lower case. Okay? So the default password, I'm going to type in here what they gave us. And then once you type that in there, you can choose to remember your password. So when you check your mail, it'll already know it. Hit Next on that, and we're finished. So that was the add an email account part of it. We can close that out. Now there's one more step that we need to do, and with getting emails or receiving emails, we request an authentication portion of it. So we have to go in there and activate that. And where that is located, it's under the same spot. We go under Tools, Accounts, hit your Mail tab again, and we want to go under Properties. And when you get under Properties of your email account, we want to click on Servers. Okay, and down here at the bottom of the Server tab is your authentication check. So you just want to check that, apply it, and then hit OK. And that's all there is for authentication. Now we can just close that out. We can come up here to Send and Receive emails. And you see how quickly it went out and tried to search for new emails. And it's that simple. So you've just set up your email account with Outlook Express.
We hope Antietam Cable's Tech Talk answered all of your questions. But if you need more help, just call our 24/7 technical support line or log on to AntietamCable.com. We're making technology easy. We're Antietam Cable.